call my mom first. Let me let all my thoughts come in right fast before I. Right now we're having another beautiful day in Cincinnati. If I'm being honest, we just played a couple days ago and it didn't have a good outcome. Let's say that. Feel me? But today, it's gonna make me feel a lot better. I ain't gonna lie. I think I ordered this shit like 2 months ago, I want to say, like 2 months ago, and I was supposed to have it before Halloween, so this is the first time I'm going to see it, first impression, first everything, really. We got the boys with us, we got G, we got T with us, so we got 7, so we're going to show y'all what we're going to get on this beautiful Cincy day. Hey! What's up,
Alright.
Hey, man. How you doing? Good.
Congratulations.
How you doing?
Hey,
Hey,
Jay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is Cedric.
I'm so excited. What's going on? How you doing?
Eric.
What's up, dude? How are you?
That's really good.
Ooh. 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 All right now?
Man.
All right, Rob. Sheesh.
You got it.
Guys, watch your back and we'll give you a little more space.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That's why I need my house for the shop.
I want y'all to do it. I ain't gonna lie. I want to watch it from a distance.
Yeah, for sure. You're rolling, we can get that off there and then unveil it to you. Okay?
It's crazy how much bigger the wing looks than it ran.
It looks so big. Car on. Somebody in there?
You ready?
Shit.
More silk darts. Oh, no, that's all.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
It says Uno on my side.
This was crazy, bro. This hard. The Uno on the side.
That was me,
7-11,
yeah.
That's tough.
Man, this look good. This color look even better in person.
Yeah.
Let's get this clean.
Fall right in. You're nervous, brother?
I think we checked every box in the store. This is damn near crazy.
That's a good spec.
Yeah.
Oh, this shit look good. You know what's crazy? Both of y'all got GT3s and I haven't been inside, like really inside inspected all yet.
I got you the carbon floor mats we inspected. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even peep that.
Cool.
Oh, you went crazy with those.
Well,
Carbon floor
Carbon
mats.
floor mats. I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
I didn't really know what trunks either.
Now you ain't got a trunk in this. Nowhere.
That's crazy.
Your storage is your back seat.
Man,
congratulations.
let me call my mom first. Let me let all my thoughts come in right fast before I.
Hey, this is the first car you ever built for you.
Nah, it
You know
is.
what I mean?
Look.
Yeah, you gotta buy your Cayenne. And of course he wants it done in a week. I'm like, dude,
Let's do this now.
All right.
I'm ready to get off the lot.
Let's do it. All right, man. We'll get you going. Hey, it's me. do 2 minutes business, you and I?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I better. Oh shit! Do you still have your Porsche?
Yeah, this is right here.
Oh, just checking, just checking. I came over, I heard, I was like, what? Can't wait to see this YouTube video. Driving down through the street.
First start in a GT3RS. Here's this bad boy sound like.
They don't cut you a little Porsche.
You see that, huh? Shit fly. Yo, is my name in that? My name is in that, bro.
It says Playmaker Edition, Porsche. That's hard, gang. That's a one-on-one exhaust right there.
I don't even know what to say. That's crazy. That's sick.
Hold on to that part right there.